Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAM sticks in Asrock Motherboard. To do this we'll need to grab two DDR5 RAM sticks and basically align them with those two slots. And also make sure that they are open. There's those clips that you can open, and then let's start aligning them. Like this. Don't worry if you hear a click. When you hear both of the clips click, that means you've inserted RAM properly. Now let's do another one. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.